Hi guys, so as you can see, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I will be making January's bag. So I'm just showing you how I created the bag. I've already started, as you can see, and I am using the bag base that I made and added the feet to it, and I'll add the videos to this video are listed down in the description box. But I am going around that bag bottom using single crochets. Now this single crochet that I'm using, instead of going through the chains, I'm actually going through the stitches. So yeah, I am going through the stitches, making single crochets, going all the way around, and I will continue to go around until I get my desired height. So right here I have gotten to my desired height. So now I am about to go around and actually make or create that loop closure um that's on that bag. Again, this is January's bag that I created, and I'm just going around um right there. That's the front part of the where the loop goes in. So I'm just going to continue to go around. As you can see, I've created the loop already, I'm going back around to actually straighten that loop, and go back with single crochets and then go around that loop again, just to build it up and make sure that it's strong and tight, and the bag can last some time. So I'm just going around again to just straighten that loop, and that's it. And right here, I am doing slip stitches around, like I said, to make sure that that loop is strong and that it can last for some time. So you'll just see me here. And I apologize for being out of frame sometime. But it was just, hey, how it worked out. I apologize again. Right here, you see me actually taking measurements of the bag and trying to make sure that I have, the measurements to actually cut the fabric for the inside of the bag. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just taking measurements of the bag, the inside of the bag, the length, the width, um, just to make sure that I have the right size fabric to line this bag with. So then, after I do this, you're gonna see me actually go to the sewing machine and sew the lining the way that I needed it to be, and sew down the label. So you'll see me doing that, and then I'll come to the end of the video where I show the bag and show the inside of the bag. As I stated, I'm sewing down the lining right here and actually sewing the label, the inside tag as well, to the lining. And I just want to thank everyone. I thank all my subscribers, and I thank everyone for watching as well. Stay blessed. I'll see you in the next one.